morning class. Today we will learn about the chemistry of class 10, chapter 1, and the topic is types of chemical reactions. In previous video we had learned about the combination reaction, endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction and decomposition reaction. These reactions we had already learned. In this we will learn about the displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. We will start from the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a type of reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element. Displacement reaction, it is a type of reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element. A type of reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive elements. From its compound. What is the displacement reaction? It is a type of chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. Now see example. Fe plus CuSO4. Then iron reacts with copper sulfate. Then here iron is more reactive than copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. That's why iron displaces copper from its solution. It will become ferrous sulfate plus copper. Now see another example. Pb plus lead, Pb plus CuCl2, copper chloride. Now it becomes lead chloride. PbCl2 plus Cu. In this reaction, Pb means lead is more reactive than copper. That's why lead displaces copper from its solution and it will become copper chloride and copper. So this is all about the displacement reaction. Displacement reaction, a type of chemical reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element from its compound. Now next, double displacement reaction. Next is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. What is a double displacement reaction? A reaction in which exchange of ions takes place between the reactants. What are the double displacement reactions? Double displacement reaction is a type of reaction in which exchange of ions takes place between the reactants. See? A type of chemical reaction, a type of chemical reaction in which exchange of ions takes place between the reactants. What is a double displacement reaction? Double displacement reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which exchange of ions takes place between the reactants. See example. Sodium sulfate Na2SO4 reacts with barium chloride BaCl2 BaCl2. Now what is their exchange of ion between the reactants? These are the reactants. Between the reactants, exchange of ion takes place. So it will become BaSO4, barium sulfate and 2NaCl, sodium chloride. Here exchange of ion takes place. So sulfate is negatively charged ion and barium is positively charged ion. So exchange of ion takes place between the reactants. After that it will become barium sulfate and sodium chloride. This is all about the double displacement reaction. Now see precipitation reaction. Precipitation. What is precipitation reaction? Precipitation reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which there is a formation of precipitate. The chemical reaction in which precipitates are formed, that is known as precipitation reaction. Now in this reaction, barium sulfate is in form of precipitate. So this reaction is also known as precipitation reaction. What are the precipitates? Precipitates are the substance which is insoluble in water. Substances which are insoluble in water, that is known as precipitate. Precipitation reaction are type of chemical reaction in which precipitates are formed, that is known as precipitation reaction. Now see another type of chemical reaction. Another type of chemical reaction is oxidation reduction. Oxidation reduction reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction. See what is oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which any substance or any compound, any element reacts with oxygen. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which substance gain oxygen or combine with oxygen. Substance gain oxygen. This is known as oxidation reaction. Reduction is just opposite of oxidation. Reduction reaction, substance lose oxygen. Substance lose oxygen, that is known as reduction. In oxidation reaction, substance gain oxygen, and reduction, substance loss oxygen or gain hydrogen, or here loss hydrogen. This is all about the oxidation and reduction. See example of oxidation and reduction. Cu plus O. 2Cu plus O2 in presence of heat, it will become 2CuO. 2CuO, copper oxide. Copper reacts with oxygen in presence of heat and it will become copper oxide. In this reaction, copper gain oxygen or combine with oxygen. That's why it is a oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. Now see other example of reduction. Copper oxide CuO reacts with hydrogen in presence of heat. It will become copper plus water. Now in this reaction, it gains hydrogen or losses oxygen. That's why it is a reduction. Reduction reaction. In oxidation, substance gain oxygen, or in reduction, substance gain hydrogen or lose oxygen. Now see, in this reaction, two things happen. Copper oxide CuO losses oxygen. That's why here reduction occur. But in same chemical equation, hydrogen gain oxygen. That's why here oxidation also occurs. In a single chemical reaction, both processes occur, oxidation and reduction. Reduction, copper oxide reduces into copper and hydrogen oxidized and form water. Two things happen, reduction and oxidation both. In reduction process, copper oxide reduces and form copper and hydrogen oxidized and form water. So this type of reaction is known as redox reaction. Redox reaction. What is a redox reaction? Redox reaction is a type of chemical reaction in which in a single reaction both oxidation and reduction process occur. Okay student, this is all about the types of chemical reaction. Type of chemical reaction we have learned: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. Now in next video we will learn about the corrosion and rancidity. It means effects of oxidation in our everyday life. Next video we will learn about the